Hi everyone. Given that x is distributed Poisson for the lambda, this is lambda equals to 2.5. So find the reading that can give you the probability. So for the first one A, Px less than equal A equals to 0.8912. So in using our table is always x more than equals some value. So this is our table reading. So if you want to convert it to the table, so less than equal A in discrete, you can see this is A. Before A is A minus 1, after A is A plus 1, and so on. So discrete number. You want less than equal A, you want this, all the number less than equal A, including A. So in table, we only can read the right tail, so we only can read the right side here. Therefore, in order to get this region as 0.8912, which means that we take overall, so overall will be 1 minus x more than a plus 1. So total probability minus the right part x more than a plus 1, it can give you 0.8912. So this is how we define it in the table. Then we simplify. So the table reading here, when you move it to the right hand side, you minus, you get negative, divide by negative, you will get 0.1088. So what kind of reading in the Poisson lambda 2.5 can give you probability 1088? So look at our Poisson at the column of 2.5 and find out the probability. So this is your probability, this is your reading. So your probability is 1.088. It's come from reading 5. So which means that A plus 1 is the reading of 5. So conclusion, A will get 4. Then we go to process questions. Next process, question B. So probability X is less than a B, 0.5438. So we analyze here. Less than, we cannot refer the table. We need to change more than equal. So just imagine your discrete. Poisson is for random variable which is discrete. When you have B, before B is B minus 1, after B is B plus 1, and so on. So less than B not includes is here. So this is the region given. So when I want to get this region, which means that overall 1 minus x more than equal B. So you can see when you have less than B not included in the questions, so I can minus start with B to get this region 0.5438. So 1 is overall probability minus the part that we have. So leaving the probability minus the part that we have here, minus the more than part here, the right tail part, to get this region at 0.5438. So we simplify. What is the reading here? Move to the right hand side, minus 1, and then you divide by the negative so that we can get what kind of reading. That to get this probability 0.4562. So we read the table. 4562, it's come from the reading R equals to 3. So this value B is a reading of 3. Alright, then we proceed for question C. Probability for x less than equal C, which is 0.9997. So again, we need to change it to more than equal situation. So just imagine your discrete random variable is C. Before it is C minus 1, after that is C plus 1. So your region here is less than C, this one. So this is 0.9997. So in change to the more than, so right here, 1 minus the probability more than C plus 1 can get 0.9997. So the overall probability is 1 minus the less than will get, minus the more than here will get 0.9997. So Px more than equal C plus 1. Simplify this, move the 1 to the right hand side. Okay, so 1 minus more than part to get this region. So we read out what kind of reading can give you a probability 003. 003 probability reading is come from the 10, which means that C plus 1 is a reading of 10. So C will be equals to 9. And we continue for the question D. Given us here is probability for the discrete random variable more than D is 0.0420. So we need to figure out how we use more than equal. So if we have D, the next one is D plus 1. Before is D minus 1. Now I have more than D. So more than D is this side, not included D. So this side is the region of 0.04020, which means that in reading table, we will read X more than equal D plus 1 to get this probability 0.0420. We straight away get the right side region. So before this, you can see these three questions, we get the left side region. Therefore, 1 minus the right side region to get your left side probability. So this one already get the right side region, so we read the table straight away. More than D is reading as more than equal D plus 1. So what kind of reading to give you probability 0.420? 0.420 is come from the reading of 6. So D plus 1 is the reading of 6. D will be equals to 5. So that's all for this question. Thank you for watching.